God, they do have their eyes and ears open. You can probably see one. Yeah, this is Mr. Longlegs. Look how long those legs are, though.
It's the biggest puppy.
Yeah, he was firstborn.
Little fatty.
No, but this one was first.
Hi, Keli.
This is the mama.
Cookie.
As I said, this is... Oh, my God.
Right.
Why do you go from the back?
I'm trying to get nipples.
Yeah, but why do
Look, he's relentless. He's like, come back here. Come back here. What you doing, Jedi?
Jedi. Oh, my God. I'm getting swarmed by dogs. This one loves me, too.
Uh-huh. They love you.
I'm a dog whisperer. Jedi.
Look, we got a little wrestling match going on over here.
Oh!
Hey. Uh-huh.
Oh! Go for the win, little girl. Mama's coming up to me like...
Nothing like her whole face in your mouth.
Hi, Jedi. I see you from a mile away, bud.
Hey, they're like
Look.
trying to eat each other's
Look
head.
at him. Look, he comes to Mama or me. Like, look at that dude, though. He's like, I'm done. You can win, little sis.
Hey, you guys are missing out. She's getting ready to
Vlogger.
feed.
Yeah, she's feeding. Oh, jeez. Way too zoomed in.